Hello dear students, today we will study about RNA as genetic material evidences. In the last class we have studied about DNA as genetic material and the evidences that proves DNA as the genetic material. Okay, so in some organisms RNA also act as genetic material. So here today we will study about the experiment that proved that RNA can act as genetic material. Okay, so the experiment that performed to prove that RNA is the genetic material is known as TMV reconstitution experiment. TMV, that is tobacco mosaic virus reconstitution experiment. The first evidence that RNA also has the capacity to carry genetic information came from experiment conducted with tobacco mosaic virus. All of you know the term tobacco mosaic virus. This virus does not contain any DNA and is compared of RNA surrounded by it is made up of RNA surrounded by hollow cylinder of protein subunits. And scientists Frankel and Stanley, by studying tobacco mosaic virus, proved that RNA contains and act as a genetic material, and it contains the information, genetic information. Okay, so the technique was first developed for separating TMV particles into RNA and proteins. Okay, later by using RNA and proteins separately in the test for infectivity, it could be shown that RNA also was able to cause infection. Such a property was not found in the protein fraction. Okay, so here is the experiment. You can see in the diagram, TMB particle is there, that is made up of RNA and the capsid protein, or that looks like a hollow cylinder, and Franklin and Stanley then separated their protein subunits and RNA, and then reconstitute or mix together this protein and protein subunits and RNA, and there is formation of the virus that is known as reconstructive virus. Okay, then they separately infected the tobacco leaves. TMV particles infected the tobacco leaves. Protein subunits show no infection in tobacco leaves. RNA show infection in tobacco leaves, and reconstruct virus again show infection in tobacco leaves. Okay, so it proves that RNA is the genetic material and it carries the information to infect the tobacco leaves, but the protein subunits do not contain any information to infect the tobacco leaves. Okay, then it has been observed, and then the second evidence for RNA being the genetic material is obtained by mixing RNA from one strain and protein from another strain. Such hybrid had serological properties of those strain from which protein was derived, but in other properties it resembled the other strain from RNA from which RNA was used. For example, they used type A and type B TMV virus, and they separated their protein and RNA particles. You can see in the diagram like protein A, RNA, and type B ka RNA B and protein B. Okay, then they mix together the RNA and protein content of this two tobacco mosaic virus types, RNA B and RNA P, and there is formation of reconstructive virus in which RNA is of A type and protein is of B type. Then they infect the tobacco leaves and found that viral progeny that present on tobacco mosaic tobacco leaves are possess the RNA of type A. That means RNA transferred from parent to progeny. Okay, so it again proves that RNA is genetic material in case of tobacco mosaic virus.